Hey guys, time to put in the wiper mechanism. I've just stone chipped up underneath there as best I could with a spray can. It's a bit difficult to get in there, as you can imagine, but I've done my best. I've got right up under there as best I can. So at least that's now going to be protected against the weather over here. Right, so there we go. Right, let's try that, shall we? See what it's like. Look at that, like a top. It's fabulous. Bang in, that's brilliant. Right, let's put the speedo cable on, shall we? Up that there. Better. Also just changed out the old headlight switch for a new one, so that's all right. Just give it a test, see if it works. Right, dash is back in. Let's see what we've got. Oil, voltage, Coolio, lights. Have we got a high beam light? No. We got a, yep, we got a, right, so the high beam light ain't working at the moment. Bang in. Right. See if speedo works. Something's moving there. Something is moving. Let's see if I can get a bit more speed up. Hang on. Yes, it is moving. Fabulous. That's better than nothing. That's better than what it was. It might be a bit bouncy, but I've got to put some what's name down there yet. So, oh, sorted. Oh, brilliant. That's good. Sort George, bang in. Well, it's another successful day today. Quite a few jobs done over the last couple of hours. We've got, what do we get done? High beam switch, tails for the high beam lights, speedo cable in. That looks like that's going to work lovely. I haven't had a chance to drive it, obviously, as you saw, but at least it moves. We'll have to see whether that's okay. Dash is back in. We got the scuttle on. We got the wiper mechanism in. That's all working. So, yeah, quite a successful day today. Thanks ever so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, then subscribe, that'd be great. hit the like button, and we'll see you soon. Sort of, George.